What if I told you that you can punch much harder than you think, even with your current condition? It's just a matter of physical awareness and control. If you can control your body throughout sprinting and swimming but can't punch correctly and harder, it's not that you can't, but you're just not trained to know how. And that's what I'm about to break down for you today. Focus until the end. Before throwing a punch, you must stand your base and connect yourself to the ground. Power starts at the feet. That is because every explosive movement begins against the ground. When it's time to punch, don't think about your fist. Think about the moment before a sprinter explodes out of the blocks, or the split second before you jump as high as possible. In those moments, the body fires as one unit. Punching works the same way. A powerful punch is not an arm action, but a ballistic movement, just like sprinting, jumping, or throwing. You push into the floor and the floor pushes back. That force travels upward, from the feet, through the legs, into the core, rotating the hips, turning the shoulders, and snapping into the fist. The fist delivers power. Understand that tension shuts down punching power, and it is where most people fail. They tense and squeeze the shoulders, lock the arm, and clench the fist before the punch even moves. That kills speed, and without speed, power disappears. So if you know how to swim, you already understand this. When you tense in the water, you sink and fight yourself. When you relax, your body glides and every movement becomes efficient. Punching works the same way. Relaxation allows force to move through the body without resistance. The more relaxed you are before the explosion, the faster your body can accelerate. And faster acceleration means harder impact. Relaxed means loose until the exact moment of contact. At impact, the body stiffens for a fraction of a second, transferring everything into the target, then immediately relaxes again, like a whip cracking. So how to train punching power without conditioning? Perform the following drills. Grounded stance drills. Feel pressure through the feet before punching. Hip-led shadow boxing. Let the hips initiate every strike and arms follow. Slow motion sequencing. Break the punch down, then accelerate it smoothly. Relax to snap drills. Stay loose until the final instant of impact. As I told you, it's a matter of physical awareness and control. That's why it requires practice. In addition, this is about installing the mechanism in the mind first, not avoiding conditioning or dismissing its importance. Conditioning is crucial to protect the body, upgrade its potential, and even multiplying power. But in our topic, I want to remind you that whatever your conditioning is, you can cause impact. If you would like another video about the most effective ways to multiply punching power, just say it in the comments. Stay tuned for the upcoming projects. See you next one, and warrior salute.